Hello children, welcome to English class. This video is about simple past tense. We use simple past tense to talk about actions which have happened in the past. So इसी से आपको पता चलना होगा simple past tense are a form of verbs which denotes the action which has already taken place. जो actions पहले ही हो चुकी उसके बारे में बोलते हैं. ठीक है बच्चों. Now let's see few examples to understand it in a better way. She drank a glass of milk. He played in the park yesterday. We bought vegetables from the market. The children were in the school yesterday. So in all these sentences, you can see that the highlighted words are simple past tense. Drank, played, bought, were, ये सब simple past tense हैं. और इसी में आपको ये पता चलना होगा there is no need to follow subject verb agreement unlike simple present tense जिसमें आपने ये singular subject हैं या plural subject हैं उसी में ध्यान रखना है because the following verbs should have s or need not have s depending on the singular or plural subject है ना simple present tense में बाहर इसी में simple past tense में ये सब subject verb agreement की जरूरत नहीं है be it a singular subject like he she ram ऐसे या plural subject इसी में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ते हैं directly we have to write simple past tense form of verbs. Okay. Now let's see the rules to be followed. So there are certain rules. If you keep these rules in mind, very easily simple past tense can be formed from the given present tense. And past tense are always formed from the given present tense. And this way, when you follow the rules, it is easy for you to remember. Most of the past tense, remember, most of the past tense, not all, are formed by adding just ed to the present tense. Like you can see the examples here, start, walk, end, work. In all this, just ed has been added to the simple present tense so that it has formed simple past tense. Start, started, walk, walked, end, ended, work, worked. इस तरह का बहुत सारे words हैं. Just few examples have been mentioned here. And there are words if the verbs समझ लीजिए if the verbs ends with letter e then to make it into simple past tense just d is added. Okay, ed नहीं है सिर्फ d है क्योंकि already e है इधर. Like smile, smiled, like, liked, love, loved, file, filed. Let's see few more rules. You can see here verbs which are ending with letter y. So if the verbs are ending with letter y in simple present tense and it is changed into simple past tense by following this rule. What is the rule? Remove the last letter y, replace it with I, then add ed. So add I plus ed to the simple present tense and it can be changed into simple past tense. And one thing you have to remember, not all the words ending with a letter Y should follow this rule. It should be followed only if it is preceded by consonant. Preceded मतलब इसके आगे last letter Y के आगे consonant होना चाहिए. ठीक है, देख लीजिए इधर fry, fried, FRY, Y हट चुकी, FRIED, marry, married, copy, copied, worry, worried. Got it children? Now let's see this rule. Add only ed to the words ending with letter Y preceded by vowels. So as I just told you, if the last letter Y is not preceded by consonant, if it is preceded by vowels, preceded माने इसके आगे vowel है, then you have to just add ed directly. देखिए इधर play, played, stay, stayed, pray, prayed, enjoy, enjoyed. Hopefully you would have understood. Is it clear children? Now let's see few more rules. So the rules mentioned here, a few more rules. For some words, past tense can be formed by changing vowels in the simple present tense. So here you can see the words given for examples. The vowel in the middle of the word is getting changed, not the end or not the beginning, just the vowels in the middle. It is getting changed into some other vowel in simple past tense. Come, came. O is getting changed as A. Win, won. Drink, drank. Give, gave. Okay, children. So you can observe that the vowels are getting changed in the simple past tense to simple present tense to simple past tense. Okay. Now let's see this one, children. It does not that all the verbs follow certain rules when you change simple present tense to simple past tense. It is not so, because there are verbs which are called as irregular verbs and there are no rules. They are not bounded by any rules. Directly they get changed into totally a different form. Spellings, pronunciation, everything gets changed. Let's see a few examples for that. Teach, taught, is, was, sell, sold, do, did. So in these examples you can see that these are simple present tense: teach, is, sell, do, and it is totally getting changed into simple past tense, spelling as well as pronunciation. So there are plenty of other words, just only a few have been mentioned here. And one more rule, let's discuss about simple past tense formation. And here you can see that for a given word, if it follows this pattern, if a word is having this pattern, then the last consonant is getting doubled. So what are the words? Stop, prefer, hop, robbed, many such words are there. Let's see what is the pattern. So the last letter is consonant, preceded by vowel, then preceded by consonant. So basically if you see from the right side, it is following this pattern: consonant, vowel, consonant, और इसी तरफ में भी वही pattern है, consonant, vowel, consonant. So if a given word is following this pattern, then the last letter is getting doubled, then add ed. Okay, stop, stop, the last letter p is getting doubled and add ed, then past tense can be formed. Prefer, preferred. Hop, hopped. Rob, robbed. So you can see all these words are following this pattern. In this way, children, remember the rules. It's very easy. If you remember the rules, it's very easy for you to form simple past tense from simple present tense. Let's quickly summarize what you saw in this video. In this video, you learnt about a simple past tense. A verb which denotes the action which has already happened is called simple past tense form of verb. Unlike simple present tense, simple past tense form of verbs need not agree with the subject of a sentence. So this was very clearly explained in the beginning of the sentence, where you have to directly write the verb in simple past tense, be it a singular subject or plural subject of a sentence. Usually, by following certain rules, simple past tense can be formed from simple present tense. So elaborately, the rules are also discussed in this video. So keep those rules in your mind when you change simple past tense into simple present tense. Okay, children, I hope you would have understood it very clearly. Thank you.